Looking for a gaming PC that won't break the bank? Whether you're a casual gamer or diving into esports, finding the perfect balance between performance and price can be tough. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this countdown, we're revealing the top 5 best budget gaming PCs of 2025, offering powerful specs, smooth gameplay, and unbeatable value. Want to know the prices? Check the links in the description below for the latest deals. Let's get started. Starting off our list is the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master, a budget-friendly gaming beast that packs serious performance for its price. At its core, you'll find the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F, a 6-core, 12-thread processor clocked at 4.1 GHz, delivering smooth and responsive gameplay across the latest titles. Graphics-wise, it comes equipped with a GeForce RTX 4060 Ti 8GB, giving you access to ray tracing, DLSS, and high FPS gaming without breaking a sweat. Whether you're playing AAA games at 1440p or competitive shooters at high refresh rates, this GPU delivers crisp visuals and fluid performance. Multitasking is a breeze with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring seamless switching between games, streams, and background applications. Plus, with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, you get blazing fast boot times and near-instant loading screens. Connectivity is another win. Wi-Fi ready and running on Windows 11 Home, you get access to the latest gaming optimizations and features. For a budget-conscious gamer who doesn't want to sacrifice performance, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master is an excellent choice to kick off our list. At number 4, we have the Alienware Aurora R16, a high-performance gaming desktop designed for serious gamers who crave power, speed, and efficiency. Under the hood, it boasts the Intel Core i9-14900F, a 24-core processor that delivers blazing fast speeds and seamless multitasking, whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating content. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super 12GB takes your gaming visuals to the next level, delivering ray tracing, DLSS 3, and AI-powered performance enhancements for smooth 4K gaming and high FPS at 1440p. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, you can expect lightning-fast responsiveness, even in the most demanding titles. Storage is another highlight, featuring a 1TB SSD for ultra-fast load times and a 1TB HDD for extra game storage, ensuring you never run out of space. Plus, the liquid cooling system keeps temperatures low and performance high, even during marathon gaming sessions. With Windows 11 Home and on-site service support, the Alienware Aurora R16 is a beast of a machine that delivers premium gaming performance without compromise. Taking the third spot on our list is the Acer Predator Orion 3000, a high-performance gaming desktop packed into a sleek, compact design. Powered by the 11th Gen Intel Core i7-11700F, this 8-core processor delivers exceptional speed and responsiveness, making it a solid choice for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. The GeForce RTX 3070 ensures stunning graphics, delivering ray tracing, AI-enhanced visuals, and high frame rates for smooth gameplay at 1440p and even 4K. Whether you're diving into AAA titles or competitive shooters, this GPU keeps you ahead of the competition. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, multitasking is smooth and efficient, while the 512 GB NVMe SSD guarantees lightning-fast load times. Plus, the 1TB HDD provides plenty of space for storing your game library. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6, it ensures a lag-free online gaming experience with faster speeds and better stability. The RGB lighting, included keyboard and mouse, and Windows 11 Home make this gaming rig a complete package for gamers looking for power and style. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is proof that big performance can come in a compact size. Securing the second spot on our list is the Lenovo Legion T5, a gaming powerhouse built for smooth performance and ample storage. At its core, it features the Intel Core i7-11700, an 8-core processor that can reach speeds of 4.9 GHz, making it perfect for handling high-intensity gaming, multitasking, and creative workloads. For graphics, it's equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6GB GDDR6, a reliable GPU that delivers solid 1080p gaming performance with smooth frame rates in AAA and esports titles. While it may not support ray tracing like the latest RTX cards, it still provides fast and responsive gameplay without breaking the bank. One of its biggest advantages? Storage. This gaming PC comes with a 512GB SSD for ultra-fast boot times and a massive 2TB HDD to store all your games, videos, and projects without worrying about space. With 16GB of RAM, expect seamless multitasking and efficient gaming performance. Preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, the Lenovo Legion T5 is a well-balanced gaming rig that offers great speed, solid graphics, and exceptional storage, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers. Claiming the top spot on our list is the HP Victus 15L, a budget-friendly gaming desktop that delivers impressive performance for its price. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G, a 6-core processor that boosts up to 4.4 GHz, this PC offers smooth multitasking and excellent gaming performance, making it perfect for both casual and competitive gamers. On the graphics side, the AMD Radeon RX 6400 might not be an RTX powerhouse, but it still handles 1080p gaming with ease, delivering solid frame rates on popular titles like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Call of Duty: Warzone. Whether you're into sports or single-player adventures, this GPU gets the job done. With 16GB of RAM, expect lag-free performance, while the 512GB NVMe SSD ensures fast boot times and quick game loading. The compact yet stylish design of the Victus 15L makes it a great fit for any gaming setup. Plus, it comes with Windows 11 Home, a keyboard, and a mouse, giving you everything you need to start gaming right out of the box. For affordable, high-performance gaming, the HP Victus 15L is the ultimate budget-friendly choice. That's it for our top 5 best budget gaming PCs of 2025. Which one caught your eye? Drop your thoughts in the comments. For the best prices, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.